having trouble connecting. Well, I am too. Got those exaggerated, self-entitled. Here we sit upon the precipice, picture hanging from the string. We'll do anything and everything to circumnavigate the fates. Decision paralysis, don't know what to do. It's those exaggerated, self-entitled. Signs were clear now. The red light was flashing all the time. We just crawled inside of our egos. We pissed and we moaned to pass the time. Well, she has broken your heart, and she has played you for the fool, and she's left you with those exaggerated self-entitlement blues. She's left you with